Welcome to the My Kitchen Rules final project, which looked at how do we keep our office kitchen clean and tidy. Project members Jason Fletcher, Justin Harvey and David Ling. These photographs show some of the problems we faced. The dishwasher not being used correctly. The sandwich press not being cleaned after use. Dishes left in the sink, unwashed and not put away. The kitchen itself cluttered with numerous signs and instruction sheets. And food sometimes being left in refrigerators and forgotten about. So how did we overcome the key constraints? Individually, we needed to come up with key messages and the right images to get the message across. We overcame by researching and consulting with stakeholders. Group-wise, we wondered if a lack of diversity may have been a problem, so we overcame this by showing our prototypes to stakeholders and obtaining feedback. Organisation-wise, we work in a hierarchical and multi-departmental organisation, so we made presentations to stakeholders. Industry, the suppliers, staff were not keeping the kitchens clean. We overcame by getting feedback from people as they use the kitchens. The values people had of different standards of cleanliness, we overcame by researching acceptable benchmarks to develop a company-wide standard. And finally, we took the time to learn. We overcame this constraint by developing a project plan. The solution concept that we agreed upon was signage and notifications. And here's some examples that we used. This one was placed above the sinks. And this one stuck on the front of the refrigerators to remind people not to forget about food that they put inside. Due to the long feedback loops, the extent of the project's success remains to be seen, but we'll certainly continue on and hope for the best.